Welcome back to our channel. Get to know the Vector drone, which is a German-made reconnaissance unmanned aerial vehicle, which has been widely used and tested intensively on the battlefields of Ukraine, and is proving to be a military intelligence-gathering asset. It is not a weapon that can drop bombs, but it can make it part of a lethal weapon system, which is highly functional for use in video-equipped flight capabilities, to optimize its artillery targets and gather intelligence for targeted positions. Vector drones that function for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR, capable of operating covertly and can fly in difficult terrain and can be programmed to fly specific routes. In performing tasks autonomously, make them ideal and reliable for covert surveillance missions. Vector weighs about 7.4 kilograms, so it is light and easy to carry and can be folded into a bag that can be carried by one operator and can perform a quick lock system. The design of this drone has dimensions with a wingspan of 2.8 meters, which can provide stability and maneuverability during flight. At the time of operation, the drone can carry out missions in 2 minutes flown without being controlled by a pilot or operator, and can carry payloads of up to 5 kilograms. By having the ability to carry that weight makes Vectors very functional for various purposes and delivery of essential supplies. Efficiently, Vector drones are able to stay in the air for up to 180 minutes, or 3 hours on a single battery charge, and have intelligent cruise speed control between 15 and 20 meters per second. When flying in the air, the Vector has the capability of streaming real-time video to multiple ground control stations via an IP mesh encrypted data link, with a range of up to 35 kilometers and has a maximum flight speed of up to 50 kilometers per hour. The drone's ground system, equipped with advanced onboard Skynode software for missions that can take full control over the aircraft, is integrated into tablet and shared computers for detection and tracking, as well as transmitting data directly with artificial intelligence AI systems. The Vector offers unparalleled agility and has a rapid deployment to provide improved operation, with its maneuverability to move at high speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, and is able to navigate difficult terrain in all weather conditions. The Vector drone uses an innovative Max nano camera and a 50MP high-resolution integrated processing technology image processing sensor. The modular aerial camera system Max is a lightweight mapping and monitoring solution that is optimized over large areas quickly. The Vector drone is compatible, having to payload configurations equipped with an EO IR10X zoom system and infrared laser rangefinder, and equipped with 2 integrated gimbal sensors, HD for OLV and Raptor. The advanced sensor can also work for data collection missions during the day or night. Vector drones that have the ability to take off and land vertically like a helicopter VTOL, which are designed with rotors on the wings too and tail rotors behind one, and can be rotated tilting. The Vector drone is manufactured by Quantum Systems, a German company founded in 2015. The manufacturer is at the forefront of the development of unmanned aerial systems (UAS). Quantum Systems brings together the most powerful and proven systems in the field, as well as commercial speed in development and innovation. Made of reinforced carbon fiber, the drone has 3 electric motors with very low noise levels, making its presence difficult for opponents to notice. Known as the Vector Hexacopter, the drone is capable of performing professional-grade heavy duty due to its wide range of advanced features and advantages that make it a valuable asset for Ukraine, so it can work effectively with increased flexibility and efficiency in a wide range of operations. Expected to withstand everyday use in harsh environments, the drone, combined with its aluminum frame, polycarbonate body, and carbon fiber arms and rotors, ensures durability and reliability in a variety of conditions for successful mission target operations.